Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker. In this video, we'll explore their features, performance, and ease of use to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the Nugget ice maker is priced at $199 United States dollars, making it a premium option. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $69 United States dollars. This price difference could be a deciding factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for an ice maker. In terms of ice production, the Nugget ice maker can produce up to 35 pounds of chewable ice in 24 hours, which is ideal for larger gatherings. On the other hand, the Sweetcrispy model produces 26.5 pounds of ice in the same time frame, making it suitable for smaller households or occasional use. The Nugget ice maker features a self-cleaning function and one-touch operation, making it very user-friendly. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy model boasts a quick ice production time of just 6 minutes for 9 ice cubes, which is perfect for those who want ice on demand without the wait. In conclusion, both the Nugget ice maker and the Sweetcrispy Countertop ice maker have their unique advantages. The Nugget ice maker offers more ice production and premium features, while the Sweetcrispy model is budget-friendly and quick to produce ice. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.